it has been brought to our attention that the Otumfuo is encouraging some of the chiefs under some of the chiefs over who I'm the president, encouraging them to make them Dormaahene. That prompted me to make that speech. I don't speak for just speaking's sake. First, the history between Dormaahene and Ashantis, the history between Ashantis and Bonos were being, changed. I wouldn't sit down when I know the truth for somebody to change the history. I won't sit down. I'm one person, I won't sit down. When I see somebody is tinkering something, I won't sit down. Categories of chiefs in Ghana. We have paramount chiefs and the Asantehene. Even the name Asantehene I have a problem with it. If you go to Mampong, the land there does not belong to the Otumfuo. I'm the only one who can say this. If you go to Kumawu, the land there does not belong to the Otumfuo. The question is that, who is he? What sort of chief? Is he a chief or a king? A king, I've already told you before, there were kingdoms in Ghana. But the moment we became a unitary state, Ghana, there's no king. People should learn to accept. If you don't accept me, Dormaahene, me no be argument I am a Dormaahene, a paramount chief. Can I create a paramount chief?
No.
So who is the Otumfuo? Who is he? I have not said all the things in my head. There are a lot of them. But you see, I don't speak just but for an issue affecting some of my members. Jesus, why should I have a problem with him? In fact, I've not met him before. All these 24 years that both of us have been on this, we have never met. So why should I have a problem? Never, as Dormaahene says, me abono hene. So I am over all the chiefs. I won't say it. That's me.